Everyone talks about SEO, but most people don't even know what actually moves the needle. So let's clear this up. In this video, I'm going to break down on-page SEO versus off-page SEO and what really matters in 2025. If you are trying to rank your website or grow organic traffic, understanding this difference is the foundation, because fixing what's on your site and building authority are two completely different skill sets. So now let's talk about what is on-page SEO. On-page SEO is everything that happens inside your website, the part you have 100% control, and it includes content quality and keyword placement. So what are the content which you are putting on your website? That comes under on-page SEO. Also meta titles and description, URL structure, image optimization, internal linking, and mobile friendliness, and core web vitals. These all comes under on-page SEO. Now let's talk about the example. Think of it as decorating your own store. You are deciding how products are displayed, how clean it looks, and how easy it is to navigate. So this is what the on-page SEO means. Now let's talk about off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, is about building your site reputation and authority online through external signals, and it includes backlinks from other reputed sites, brand mentions, social signals, online reviews. The example of this is, if your on-page SEO is about how your store looks, the off-page SEO is about what people are talking about your store across the town. So this is what the off-page SEO means. And you can't win SEO with just one. If your on-page SEO is weak, search engine can't understand your content, and if your off-page SEO is weak, they won't trust it enough to rank it on the Google. So this is why you need to do both off-page and on-page SEO. In 2025, Google algorithm focus more on user experience and trust signals. That means technical SEO still matters, but relevance, helpful content, and strong backlinks matters more. So what you have to do here, build a real authority with helpful content. So whatever content you are putting, you need to make sure that whether it is helpful for the user or not. The second thing which you have to do is prioritize site speed and UX, because if the user experience is not good, then no one will read the content which you have on your site, and also Google will not help you to rank your website. And the third thing that you have to do is get quality backlinks, not quantity. So make sure that you are getting the backlinks which is quality driven. Don't focus on getting as many backlinks. Try to get the backlinks which actually do the work. The magic happens when you connect both sides. So publish valuable content on your site and get the other credible sites to talk about it. Example of this can be write a blog and share insights on LinkedIn and other social media, and then build links back to your original post. So this is about the difference between on-page and off-page SEO, and how you can do both, and what are the things you need to keep in mind before doing your SEO. So if you like this video or find this video useful, make sure to like it, and then I will see you in the next one.